Hello everyone, so I'm Ananya Saab, one of the students from Marwar University and representative of Algo Army. So the problem statement we have decided is development of a versatile and fast algorithm for optimal ship routing. So the proposed solution is that we have provided optimized traffic management, which uses real-time AIS data as it uses the machine learning approach, and it also monitors the port congestion, which helps in adjusting the vessel route to avoid traffic, reduces the risk of collision, and also it helps in monitoring and routing to the less congested port. The multi-objective optimization feature also helps in algorithm to adjust to the real-time data, and as it provides the fuel efficiency, weather safety, and the timely arrivals. Now, the AI driven learning system, which analyzes the historical voyage data and enhances the future routes that the ship is traveling by increasing the efficiency with each journey as through its recommendation system as it studies the pattern. Then comes the geofencing alerts for course correction, as the geofencing system alerts the driver to keep on its track the optimal route that has been provided, and it alerts as soon as it starts to get deviated out of its path. And then comes the blockchain for data integrity and data security using cryptographic hashing and smart contracts for tamper proof real-time verification and for the safety of communication. Then the technical approach is the front end, which is being used by Flutter or React.js. The back end is being used by Python and Node.js. The APIs are the RESTful APIs, GraphQL, AIS API, and the database and storage is Firebase and MongoDB. The authentication will be also done by Firebase as well. And then comes the map integration, which can be done by Mapbox. And our important feature which makes us different from rest is the QGIS, geographic information system. Then the machine learning libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow, and the climate and ocean graphic data, which can be taken from NOAA APIs, Open Weather Map API, and Copernicus Marine Service API. And the blockchain has been preferred mostly by cryptographic hashing. And as you can see that we have the architecture which provides the constraints and also the optimal route with the objective, and the ship performance model which focuses on fuel consumption, ship motion, and ship fatigue damage and all. The architecture overall covers and summarizes how the constraints are affecting and how our optimal ship routing algorithm will provide the optimal route for each and objective with the help of ETA, efficient time arrival, minimal fuel consumption, and maximum safety. Now below is the heat map which has been generated using the Seaborn library of Python. So we have collected a huge amount of data for the ship navigation. So it is a ship routing optimization heat map which had constraints and all the data which was cleared out, and then the filtered and refined data was used to visualize it using heat maps. So we have taken all the parameters as well and drawn a correlation matrix which let us know what were the problems coming, and we learned how to overcome it by researching it on it and studying the tech stack accordingly. So the feasibility and viability comes with the as the technology successfully meets the project needs, but it is also cost effective, and also the project follows the navigation rules as well as the shipping industry and data security as well. Then the challenges is that data integration, real-time processing, user adoption, and system reliability. But these challenges are not stopping us from making our project giving an impact in real life. We have overcome all these challenges by providing thorough testing, that we will run extensive tests to ensure that the integration works smoothly and the data has been refined. There is user training which gives a hands-on training and support to make user feel comfortable with the new technology stack that is coming on the way. And then comes the scalable infrastructure, which is a building a flexible architecture which will increase the demand without sacrificing performance, and will give you as much as less time complexity and providing you the best case for it. And then comes the possible impact, which is better efficiency. This can be done as it is not only saving the time, but also it is saving the fuel cost, greater safety, cost savings, faster deliveries, and market leadership. So I want to highlight the point of faster deliveries, as it is also contributing to increase in the GDP. As you know that if the deliveries are done faster, then there is better communication and there can be boost in import and export programs. And then comes the benefit, which comes like competitive advantage, like business can stand out by using the advanced routing technology and the information decisions. It is eco-friendly, it is punctual, as well as the ship will give the destination you are going to reach on time, and providing the service reliability and the data encryption, which can be done by using blockchain for the reducing the risk of cyber attacks, and the data is secured by the user who is using. And here are the research and references which helped us to go further and study it, help us in more optimizing how to make our project better. So hope you all liked it, and yes, thank you so much.